Good morning, good afternoon, good evening bivanye mu saherereye. This is E.F.A English Family. No munsi icigwa cacu ni kwidondora mu Congereza. Ngene ushobora kwidondora mu Congereza ukabikora neza for beginners. So, kwidondora rero kumwe bigenda icambere uramanza ukaramukanya. So, indamukanya zo twazize ni good morning, good afternoon, good evening bivanye donc n'igihe. Good morning tuvuge ni mu gatondo uye n'umuntu mutari mumenyeranye mutari muzinanye cyangwa ugiye nko ku kazi nk'ahantu bisaba ko widondora, right? Bwa mbere uravuga ati good morning, good morning. Mpuje kuvuga ati good morning, nawe akakwishura ashaka kwidondora ati my name is, my name is, my name is, my name is, hamwe ushaka izina ryawe nk'akaronka twafashe John, my name is John, okay? Urashira ko ati nitwa John, my name is John. So then murabandanya uti ugaca uvuga n'imyaka ufise ati I am 25 years old. Ufise imyaka 10 uvuga ati I am 10 years old. Nimba ufise 5 ukavuga ati I'm 5 years old. Nimba ufise 30 ukavuga ati I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. Hanyuma tukabandanya ucuvuga yo iyuva, alright? Ukavuga uti I'm from Burundi, for instance, or I'm from Nigeria, I'm from US, I'm from USA, okay? I'm from maybe Uganda or Congo, DRC. Donc ugacuvuga rero ugashirako n'igihugu uvamo I am from. Hama ugacubandanya uti nk'utuvuga ashaka guhitamo ukavuga uti I am Burundian, I am Burundian, I am Burundian, vuga uti ndi umurundi. So I live ucuvuga rero aho uba, uvuga uti I live at, uvuga ati rero tuvuga ati I live at tushirako ikibanza, donc specific area, ikibanza nk'utuvuge numba ari ku Musaga uvuga ati Musaga, numba ari mu Kinanira ugashaka ati Kinanira, okay? So twamaze gushaka ko rero at tushira ko ikibanza specific yama ahariho, right? Nka twavuga ati I live at Bigwa, I live at Bigwa, okay? At rero ikorana n'utubana n'ibibanza bito bito donc ku ma district. So then tubana nyikavuga ati kwidondora stati ingene umeze, uvuga uti I'm single, right? I am single ni kuvuga uti sinubatse ndacyari umuseribateri, right? I'm single. Then we have here you can also say that utari single uvuga uti I'm married, I am married kuvuga ko wubatse, all right? I have both parents and 2 siblings. If you say abavyeyi bose, I have both parents and 2 siblings nabo muvukana na sabo tuvukana babiri. Mbo fise batanu tuvuga ati 5 siblings, nimba muri 10 tuvuga ati 10 siblings, okay? I have both parents and 2 siblings, okay? Udafise abavyeyi nawe uravuga uti I don't have parents, canke udafise muvukana ukavuga ati I don't have siblings. I am the first child. Mu gihe rero uri imfura uravuga uti I'm the first child, canke mu gihe uri umwana wanyu muhereze uvuga ati I'm the last child. Twibukanye the dutekoza kuyishiramwo the, I'm the first child. Hama nimbura wa kabiri I'm the second child. Nimba gatatu ukavuga uti I'm the third child. Hama ukavuga uti tubandanya na ukavuga abo muvukana, right? Ukavuga uti my little brother is Peter. Ukavuga ati mutoya wanje mukakunga hago navuze ko tuvana turi babiri. My little brother is Peter. Ukavuga ati izina ryo tuvukana mutoya wanje nimba ari mukuru turabivuga, ukavuga ati yitwa naka. Twavuze ko tuti my little brother is Peter, ati mutoya wanje ni Peter, okay? Ni Petero. And my little sister is Kigeme, okay? My little sister is Kigeme. Now we move ahead. I am student. Yo uri umunyeshuri yiga kuri kaminuza uvuga uti I am student, okay? I am student ndi umunyeshuri gusa bavuga kuri kaminuza. Ku banyeshuri biga muri high school, post fondamentale, right? Canke primary schools, okay, or even kindergarten. Bavuga muti I am a pupil, I am a pupil. Bavuga uti ndi umunyeshuri, naho nyine gisigura umunyeshuri mugabo urumva ntuburi kuri kaminuza, right? So now I am in 9 form, or I am in form 9. Wiga mu w'icenda bavuga ati niga mu mwaka uyu n'uyu, okay? I'm in form 9. Thank you so much. Now we have here kukivuga nk'akazi ukora ashobora kuvuga uti nimba uri umwigisha ukavuga uti I am a teacher, I am a teacher. For instance, me, I am a teacher. Okay, nimba uri umumaso uvuga uti I am a mason. Okay, nimba uri umudandaza ukavuga uti I am a seller, so ushaka kuvuga n'ibyo rero ukunda uri koragira introduction ukavuga uti I like playing football, or I like watching football match. Cyangwa ukavuga uti I like singing, for instance, okay? So ku byo rero ubandanya uvuga ati ibyo ukunda bivana ibyo ukunda, uvuga ibyo ukunda uvuga ati I like to read books or anything else, or I like watching a movie, or I like to watch movie. So rero bashasha ari umugara mugisha kuri no page yacu kandi kuri no channel, mwibuke gukora subscribe ngo zomananye tubana. Reka rero dusome tutarenze gusigura kugira ngo nawe turasubiramwe, okay? Good morning. My name is I'm 25 years old. I'm from Burundi. I am Burundian. I live at Bigwa. I am single. I am married. I have both parents and 2 siblings. I'm the first child. My little brother is Peter, and my little sister is Kigeme. I am student. I am a pupil. I am in form 9. I am a teacher. I like playing football. So thank you so much kwa twabanye, ntibagira kugira subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.